A very warm welcome to all my dear students. In this video, we are going to study the chapter Perimeter and Area. Perimeter. What is perimeter? The total length of the bounding lines and curves of a closed plane figure is called the perimeter. Perimeter of a quadrilateral is equal to the sum of lengths of its sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice of length plus breadth. In short, we can write down P is equal to twice bracket L plus B. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. In a square, all the four sides are equal, so we can write down P is equal to 4 into A, where A represents the side of a square. Now let us discuss the questions of exercise 1A. Here we have to discuss the questions based on the perimeter of rectangle and square. So let us briefly once again revise the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. It is 2 into L plus B. P is equal to twice of L plus B, and perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. Now let us move to question number 1. It is find the perimeter of a rectangle. First part I am writing here. Length is equal to 15 centimeter and breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. So let us discuss the solution here now. Perimeter of a rectangle, the formula is 2 into L plus B. So we can write down twice of, in place of L we have to write down 15 and in place of B we will write down 10. So 2 into 25, that is equal to 50 centimeter. Now let us move to question number 2. Find the perimeter of a square of side. Third part we are doing here 12 meter and 50 centimeter. So side of the square is equal to 12 meter plus 50 centimeter. Okay. So here we can write down, we have converted centimeter in the form of meter. So 12 meter plus 50 centimeter will be written as 50 upon 100, that is 0.50 meter. So total length of the side becomes 12.50 meter. Perimeter, the formula is 4 into side. So 4 into 12.50, that is 50 meters. Question number 3. A rectangular field is 30 meter long and 25 meter broad. Length is 30 meter and breadth is 25 meter. What is the length of the wall which will enclose it? So in order to find out the length of the wall which will enclose it, we have to find out the perimeter of the field. That is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So twice of 30 plus 25, that is 2 into 55, that is equal to 110 meters. Let us discuss the second part of question number 3. It is find the length of the boundary wall of a rectangular garden which is 168 meter long and 132 meter broad. So we can write down length of the boundary is equal to perimeter of the garden, that is twice of L plus B. So it is equal to 2 into 168 plus 132. So 2 into 300, that is 600 meter is the length of the boundary wall of a rectangular garden. Now let us discuss question number 4. Find the length of a rectangular field if its perimeter is 240 meter and breadth is 52 meters. So here we will write down the formula for length of a rectangular field, which is equal to perimeter by 2 minus breadth. It is equal to perimeter by 2 minus of breadth. So perimeter is 240 upon 2 minus 52. So 240 upon 2 becomes 120 minus 52. Okay, so 120 minus 52 is equal to the length of the rectangular field. So here we have used the formula for the length of the rectangle as perimeter by 2 minus breadth. Okay, so 120 minus 52, we are getting 68 meter is the length of the rectangular field. Now let us discuss the second part of question number 4. It is the perimeter of a rectangular field is 200 centimeters. Its length is 3 times its breadth. Find its length and breadth. So here we will start with, let the breadth be x centimeter. So length is given 3 times. So it will be length is equal to 3 into x centimeter. Okay. Now according to the given question, we have perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice of L plus B. So perimeter is 200 is equal to twice of 3x plus x, that is 2 into 4x. So we are getting 8x. 8x is equal to 200. So x is equal to 200 upon 8, that is x is equal to 25. So breadth was equal to x centimeter. So we are getting breadth is equal to 25 centimeter. And length is equal to 3x, 3 into 25, so we will get 75 centimeter. Now let us move to question number 5. Question number 5 is, a square has a perimeter of 24 centimeter. Find the length of its side. Here we have the perimeter and we have to find out the length of the side of the square. So we will use the formula for length of its side, that is, a square's side is equal to perimeter divided by 4. We'll use the formula for length of the side as perimeter upon 4. So perimeter is given as 24 divided by 4, that is equal to 6 centimeter. So for question number 5, we are getting that when a perimeter of a square is 24 centimeter, we got the length of its side as perimeter divided by 4, that is equal to 24 divided by 4, 6 centimeter. Let us discuss question number 6 now. A rectangular field is 42 meter long and 38 meter wide. If Raman runs around the field twice, find the distance he covers. So distance covered by Raman will be equal to twice of perimeter. The distance covered by Raman will be equal to twice of perimeter because he is covering the distance around the field 2 times. He is running around the field 2 times. So distance will be equal to 2 into perimeter. So we'll put the formula. It is a rectangular garden. So 2 into the formula for perimeter, that is twice of L plus B. So we are opening the big bracket here and 2 into 2 we got 4 into L is equal to 42 plus 38. So we'll get 4 into 80, that is equal to 320 meter is the distance covered by Raman when he runs around the field twice. Now let us see question number 7. Nupur runs around a rectangular field of length 30 meter and breadth 22 meter. Krishna covers a square field of length 25 meter. Who covers a greater distance? So here we have to find out two distances. One is for Nupur, who is running around a rectangular field, and Krishna, who is covering a square field of length 25 meter. So let us go to the solution. Distance covered by Nupur will be equal to the perimeter of rectangle, that is twice of L plus B. So 2 into 30 plus 22. Length is 30 and breadth is 22. So 2 into 52. So we will get 104 meters. Now let us move to the distance covered by Krishna. The distance covered by Krishna will be equal to 4 into side, that is 4 into 25 meters. So 4 into 25 will get 100 meters. So as we can see from the solution that Nupur is covering a distance of 104 meter around a rectangular field and Krishna covers a distance of 100 meter around the rectangular field. So who is covering the more distance? Nupur by 4 meter. Nupur covers some distance, more distance than Krishna. Let us come to question number 8 now. Find the cost of fencing a square field of side 35 meter at the rate of rupees 40 per meter. So whenever we are getting a word fencing, fencing means putting wires around the field to cover the field only at the boundary, only from the boundaries. So whenever we are getting the word fencing, we should find out the perimeter. So the cost of fencing, in order to get the cost of fencing, first of all we need to find out the perimeter of the square field. That is 4 into side is equal to 4 into 35. So we are getting 140 meters. Now we have to find out the cost of fencing. So the cost of fencing is given as, for 1 meter we have to pay rupees 40. So here we have to do fencing for 140 meters. So the cost of fencing 140 meters will be rupees 40 into 140, that is equal to rupees 5600. So we are getting that the cost of fencing a square field of side 35 meters is rupees 5600 at the rate of rupees 40 per meter. Thank you and have a very nice day all of you.